Hi everyone, I'm Jen Kingwell. I'm a Moda fabric designer, a pattern designer and an author, and today I am really excited to share with you my new book, Gathered. When I did Quilt Recipes, I really wanted to show traditional quilts in a very modern aesthetic, and it was so well received, so thank you everybody. I decided that I'd write a sequel, but this time I've used and reimagined some of the quilts from my vintage quilt collection, and we shot the photography in a sort of more cottagey, vintagey style house. So while it still has a very modern aesthetic, it just is a real nod to that sort of vintage feel. Many of you know that I'm a hand piecer, and so while I have written quite a few patterns in the book for templates and hand piecing, I haven't forgotten all of you who love to machine piece as well. I have trend them in the book. You can either do it with templates and machine piecing, or you can do foundation paper piecing for that one. There are two quilts in the book that are just rotary cut machine piece. The first one is a quilt that I have called 66, and the second one is a quilt that I have called Upgrade. It's, I guess, a little along the lines of Dales. I've been so impressed with how people have taken that pattern and made it their own. I always love to see that, so I'm really excited to see what you're going to do with the Upgrade quilt. The recipes in this book are a mixture of some sweet and savoury, and there are some real classics in here. The pavlova, it really is a staple on almost every table in Australia and New Zealand, so I have included that recipe in there. Probably my favourite recipe in the book is a corn fritter recipe that was given to me by one of my daughter's friends. There's a dip recipe that was given to me by a neighbour, and of course there are some lovely cakes and cookies that were given to me, passed down from my mum. So there are a mixture of recipes in this book. Unfortunately this year I'm not going to make it to Quilt Market, but Gathered and some of the quilts from Gathered certainly will be. So call by the Moda booth and you can have a look at the book and you can see some of the quilts that are featured in it. So that's a little snippet about my new book, Gathered. I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you all love it as much as you loved Quilt Recipes, and thank you so much everybody for your support.